Hola amigos, ¿cómo estás? Vamos a cantar una canción de La abuela come animales. Vamos a poner
A fly.
en inglés.
There was an old lady who swallowed a fly. I don't know why she swallowed a fly. I guess she'll die. There was an old lady who swallowed a spider. Then wiggle, then jiggle, then tickle beside her. She swallowed a spider to catch the fly. I don't know why she swallowed a fly. I guess she'll die. Lady swallowed a bird. Oh gosh! She swallowed a bird. She swallowed a bird to catch the spider. She swallowed the spider to catch the fly. But I don't know why she swallowed the fly. I guess she'll die. There was an old lady who swallowed a cat. Oh gosh! She swallowed a cat. She swallowed a cat to catch the bird. She swallowed a bird to catch the spider. She swallowed the spider to catch the fly. I don't know why she swallowed a fly. I guess she'll die. There was an old lady who swallowed a dog. Oh gosh! She swallowed a dog. She swallowed a dog to catch the cat. She swallowed the cat to catch the bird. She swallowed the bird to catch the spider. She swallowed the spider to catch the fly. But I don't know why she swallowed the fly. I guess she'll die. There was an old lady who swallowed a cow. She swallowed a cow to catch the dog. She swallowed the dog to catch the cat. She swallowed the cat to catch the bird. She swallowed the bird to catch the spider. She swallowed the spider to catch the fly. I don't know why she swallowed the fly. I guess she'll die. There was an old lady who swallowed a horse. She's dead, of course.
Suscríbete al video y dale like y comparte tus amigos. Adiós.